Illawarra Escarpment is one of the great features of Wollongong. But the trouble is that that land is also the site of many who decide to dump rubbish. They are taking away from the amenity of that beautiful site, and more specifically on a location on Harry Graham Drive.
A lot of people assume that the escarpment is all in public ownership, when in fact it's actually a combination of public and private ownership. The illegal dumping of rubbish can cause a number of issues in bushland in the escarpment, increasing the spread of weeds, the introduction of vermin, can result in chemical leaks and can also potentially introduce fire.
Illegal dumping has the possibility to pollute the waterways for your drinking water supply in the area, and with the burnout cars there's the potential for larger fires spreading, and that has water quality concerns as well.
Sadly, a lot of the items that we do find illegally dumped can often be actually disposed of at council waste facilities for free. Up until recently, us land managers have been dealing with the illegal rubbish dumping issue in the escarpment fairly reactively, but thanks to some great funding provided by the EPA, as well as the coordination of that funding by the Illawarra Shoalhaven Joint Organisation, us land managers have been able to turn that around, and now we're starting to deal with the illegal rubbish dumping issue on a very proactive basis, including the installation of surveillance cameras, signage, as well as Armco fencing along the roadsides, and education and awareness information from the community. So basically this funding is a win-win situation for both the community and us land managers.
Surveillance techniques are being used to track and prosecute offenders, and for the first time drones are being used to locate waste in geographically challenged areas.
So on-the-spot fines can apply for illegal dumping to individuals of $2,000 and for businesses $8,000. If the matter is heard at court, these penalties can blow to $250,000 and incur jail time.
Illegal dumping is costly to clean up, makes a mess of our communities and can be dangerous to your health, especially if asbestos is involved. Now it's easier than ever to report illegal dumping from your phone or online via the New South Wales EPA website. Give us as much information as possible so we can respond appropriately. To make a report, all you need to do is follow 4 simple steps. Take a photo, tell us your location, describe what rubbish you see, and then give us any other information which you think will help us. By working together and reporting on illegal dumping, we can make a visible difference to our community and the environment.